Okay, what's up traders? So today we'll be finally talking about Fibonacci retracement. So in our previous video, we keep talking about Fibonacci, but we didn't actually get down to recording a video about Fibonacci. So today in this video, we'd like to talk about Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so what is Fibonacci retracement? Okay, for all those of you who are new, okay, Fibonacci retracement looks something like this. Okay, if you're using TradingView, the way to access it, it would be to click here, right? Or rather, you click this and Fibonacci retracement. Okay, just a moment. Okay, so you'll see these levels. Okay, there's many levels. Okay, but the main levels are this level 0.236, 0.382, 0.5, 0.618, and 0.786. Okay, so what is Fibonacci retracement? Okay, Fibonacci retracement helps you to determine support and resistance level. Okay, so if in this case we draw it from the swing high to the swing low, then these are potential support and resistance levels. Okay, do take note that we say potential. Trading is not so easy. You know, you just use one tool and you draw and you expect that levels will hold. Trading doesn't work like that. Okay, but basically these are numbers. Okay, I don't want to get too much into theory about the Fibonacci numbers, like how did they derive it. But basically, all you need to know is that the market looks at this level quite significantly. Okay, so in particular case, we found that the 0.618 and the 0.786 are the two most important levels. Okay, not that the rest are not important, but if you need to focus, you would focus your attention on the 0.618 and 0.786. Okay, if you're in our advanced Forex course, you realize that we teach a concept known as the 0.618. How do we use the 0.618 to gauge the strength of the trend? Okay, so these are the levels. Okay, so the next question that we want to answer would be, when do you use Fibonacci retracement? Okay, actually the answer is very obvious. Okay, Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so retracement is in the name, right? So naturally that means that we want to use Fibonacci retracement when there is a retracement. Okay, make sense? So there's only a retracement when there is a trend. Okay, so maybe I just write it down here. Okay, what is Fibonacci retracement? I won't write it down already. So when there is a trend and you are looking for a pullback. Okay, make sense? Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so naturally, you assume that there's a trend and you want to trade the pullback. So take note that this is Fibonacci retracement. So you don't use it in a ranging market. Okay, you don't use it to try to trade range, because in a range, you expect price to bounce between the top of the range and the bottom of the range, and that's essentially 100% retracement. So that's why you won't use a retracement, Fibonacci retracement during a ranging market. Okay, so now the third question you will ask, which is the most important question, is how do you use the Fibonacci retracement? So let me just show you. Okay, let me just clear everything up, because I want to keep our charts clean. Okay, clean charts equals clean mind. Okay, so Fibonacci retracement, we always draw it from a swing high to a swing low. Okay, which swing high to choose, right? For example, do we choose this swing high or this swing high? That unfortunately takes a lot of experience. Okay, this swing high or this swing high takes a lot of experience, but maybe in this video we just want to share you the basic concept that you can use Fibonacci levels to determine potential support and resistance level. Correct? You find it in confluence with the market structure. Okay, you make a disclaimer here again. Fibonacci levels on its own will not make you profit. Okay, you need to be able to line up, the Fibonacci level with the market structure and have a trading plan in mind when you are trading. Okay, so let's just look at Aussie dollar right now. Okay, this is one of the recent swings. So we'll take this swing high and this swing low. So you can see that the swing low over here is 0 and the swing high is 100 or 1. Okay, so in this case, just imagine with me, price came down and you're looking to short. So you know that this is a trend. So how do you know that this is a trend? Well, this is a high, this is a low, this is a lower high, and this is a lower low. So it's as obvious as it gets. It is a downtrend. Okay, so you're saying, okay, now I understand that it's in a downtrend and I want to trade a retracement up. So where do I trade? So you draw a Fibonacci level from here to here, correct? And then you just look at the levels, okay? So of course, all these are potential levels, but how do you know which are the best levels? So one trick that we always teach would be to switch to a line chart. Okay, if you have not watched our other videos about using the line chart, switch to a line chart, look at the levels, okay? In particularly, we pay more attention to the 61.8 and the 786. Okay, so if you look at this case, the 61.8 seems to be quite good, right? Because you have like one touch here, you know, two touch, three, almost three touch here, four touch. So this level seems like a very good level, okay? The 786 itself is also pretty solid. You see one here, two here, and 3 and 4. Okay, so in this case, actually, the 786 seems to be a stronger level. Okay, so if you had, you know, place a limit order here, you would have nailed the top. Okay, but then again, I'd like to repeat the disclaimer. Okay, this is not a strategy in itself. We cannot just draw a Fibonacci level and, you know, just say, oh, you know, I put a sell limit here, I put a sell limit here. That will blow your account very quickly. Okay, so what you need is a full trading system, okay, in which we do teach you the full trading system that we use in our trading course. So definitely check that out if you haven't checked it out. Okay, so this is how we use 786 and 0.618. Of course, sometimes, you know, you have 0.382, 0.5. But we found that these two zones are the best zones. Okay, so this is how you actually line up the Fibonacci level with the market structure to find out turning points. How do you trigger the trade? That requires a trading system, right? Trigger the trade equals how do you confirm, or how do you like verify that, hey, this is a good level to short? Okay. Yep, so I think that's about it for this video. Okay, if you have any questions, comment down below, email us, right? We'll always create content like this to address your questions or any trading issues we have. I mean, we love to connect with you, but we need to know your problems. So if you are new to our Telegram channel, right, because we recently ran a promotion, right, we are doing a giveaway. If you are new to our channel, right, hit the subscribe button, right? So that you'll be notified of new trades, you know, trade setups, or, you know, content such as this. Okay. So till then, we'll see you in the next video.